What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video. Man, it is so early. You guys can see it's 5:51. I woke up early because today, if you guys are in Socal, obviously you know about Finding Nick and N54 Manny. They opened a shop and today is like the grand opening, as well as Finding Nick's GTR reveal. So yeah, I'm gonna pull up with my brother if he wakes up, and a few of my friends, and we're just gonna, you know, record and see how it goes, have a good time, maybe even go for a drive or something after. Yeah, I'm so tired. I woke up early though because my car's like super dirty. I was supposed to wash it yesterday, but I low-key lagged. I forgot, I'm not even gonna lie, but this thing is dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it right now before we go. Hopefully my neighbors don't get mad at me, because bro, I could be sleeping right now. Alright guys, I'll get back to you guys whenever I finish washing the car. Alright guys, I'm already falling behind. Like I said, I told you guys I wanted to leave at 7. It's now 7:50 and I'm barely leaving. I'm about to go pick up my girl and then meet up with my friends, and then from there all of us, I think it's like 3 or 4 of us, all go together to the actual Carmeet. My brother's not going. He didn't wake up. He's lazy and he doesn't like hanging out with me. I'm just kidding, but yeah, so I'm gonna go get changed real quick while the car finishes warming up, and then I'll head out. I'll get back to you guys once I meet up with my friends. Alright guys, we just pulled up. We got some friends behind us and we're currently looking for parking. Not too sure where I'm gonna park yet, but alright guys, starting to walk around. Is this F10 Chris? It is. Sheesh. Next car, what? Next color on the M5. Sheesh. Twins. Sheesh. Damn, this color is sick. I'm supposed to park right here. Fresh kicks. Mad wide, bro. Damn. Sheesh. Life with KG. Damn. Sheesh. Talk about a flex. Sheesh. That's dope. Yo, what's up, bro?
Man, what's going on?
Nice to meet you, Anthony.
Kevin, nice to meet you, bro.
Hell Kitty. New GTR wrap. Sheesh. Damn, I8. They were just wrapping this one. It's already done. Damn, this looks sick. Yo, this color actually looks so sick on the GTR. I wasn't expecting it. It must be nice to have 3 cars, man. Sheesh. Drift build. That's sick. Wide body, bro. Hella wide. I've never seen side skirts this big before, bro. What the heck? That's a whole sidewalk. Sheesh. These are huge. I want an M3. I want an E92 M3.
Bro, this is
Sheesh. GTR game, bro. Don't make dog. Damn. Bro, this would be such a sick daily. Damn. I actually had like no intentions of recording right now, but I just got home and I got something in the mail. You guys can see right here. I'm not gonna show my address, but I'm pretty sure you guys know what this is. I'm about to open it real quick and show you guys. I've been waiting like 7 months for this thing, so yeah. Let me open it real quick. It is. Let me open it real quick and I'll show you guys what it looks like. It is 2 plates. Alright, check it out guys. So we got the plates right here. I don't even want to flip it around, but you guys can already see what it says. You guys saw it right there on the package too, but here it is guys, the new plates on the M5. I wanted to put the O, but somebody already had taken it, and honestly I had no idea what else to put. So I just decided to put slow M5, because obviously that's what the M5 is. It's pretty slow. But yeah, this is the new plates. It does come with 2, like you guys can see. Slow M5. This is the first time I ever get custom plates on a car. I wanted to do this on my old car, I just never got to it, but I just had to do it on this car, because obviously, like, I don't know, I just had to do it on the M5, and we've been waiting like since August for these. I literally did it as soon as I got the car. So let me go ahead and install this real quick and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Hey, it looks sick. Hey, new plate, bro. I'm about to put it on the car real quick. All right, let's take off the old plate. All right, now let's put the new plates on. And just like that, we got new plates on the M5. Hey, that looks sick. If you guys ever see this plate on the freeway, guys, make sure to take a picture and tag me on Instagram. That's so sick. I've never had custom plates before. Slow M5. People will probably get mad because I put this plate, but hey, it is what it is. That's so sick. I need to get this cap though, because I don't know how this fell off. I don't think it doesn't actually fall off. Somebody probably just really wanted it and they took it off, but it is what it is. You can barely even tell unless you get close up or unless you really pay attention. You guys are always asking for POV, so I'm gonna give you guys a little POV today. I'm not really gonna be talking because I'm holding the actual GoPro with a mouthpiece. So, yeah. We got Jesse's 550 in the front. Go check out his channel, guys. He got like 20 different builds going at once.